Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob Sutton and we're back here with another review today. As you guys already probably know, I am a huge fan of slim wallets. I hate carrying around a whole bunch of bulk with me and I like to have a wallet that fits in my front pocket. So today we are actually going to look at this Groove wallet from Groove Life. So let's get at it. So before we get into the review section of this wallet, let's go ahead and talk about the specs so we know what we're dealing with. This is a 6-card wallet with a single thumb swipe up that has a detachable money clip or a detachable leather sleeve that you can hold cash or an extra 2 cards with. In the main compartment, it does hold 6 cards that come up in a cascading form for easy access. It is also RFID blocking, so you don't have to worry about your information getting stolen from some kind of scanner. It is a friction fit with a mechanical arm, so your cards stay put and actually come out in that cascading form when you do the swipe function. It is also really low profile. It is 8.5 millimeters thick with the money clip and 12.5 millimeters with the leather sleeve on. It has a retail price of $119 and comes with a 95-year warranty. So guys, I've been using this wallet for about a month now, and let's go ahead and talk about what I actually liked about the wallet and some things that you might need to know when you're using it that you might not like. So first off, I really love the cascading card thumb swipe. Not only is it really satisfying to use over and over again, but it does a great job of working every single time you use it. And I find that I put my most used card up front and in the back for really easy access. And then everything else that I don't use as much goes in between. Now I did opt for the leather sleeve on the other side so I could keep another card on the outside, especially when I'm traveling and I need to use my credit card a lot when I'm out on the road in a hotel, restaurant, and other areas. And it also made for a really nice soft touch wallet instead of just fully metal on all sides. Now, when I rarely do carry cash, I do use the elastic strap here on the leather sleeve. And that's also why I chose the leather sleeve instead of the money clip. It's because I don't carry cash all that often. So it's really nice to have a really low profile way to carry cash that isn't a sharp clip in your pocket. So as you can see, the actual friction fit and arm work exactly as advertised. There's a little arm on the bottom that you can see when you actually pull the plate up that actually pushes the cards up, and the friction fit arm comes down and puts back into place when you put the cards back into the slot. So I didn't find any instances where the cards would actually slip out, and the function actually works every single time you use it. And one other thing to add here is that you can actually personalize this and put your initials on it in an engraving that used to cost $15, but right now on the website it's actually free, which is kind of a cool little touch that I didn't do to this one, but if you're looking at getting a little bit more personalization and get your initials on the wallet itself, that's a great option. So what did I not like about the Groove wallet? First off, it is a metal wallet, so you have to keep that in mind when you put it in your pocket with any other items that you might have in there. Now, the radius of the edges on this wallet itself are a little bit softer than most metal wallets. Like the Ridge wallet really had a hard edge on it and would really want to scratch anything else I had in my pocket. So this one's not as bad as that one was, but it is something to keep in mind. You are going to have a metal device in your pocket that you might not want to have other things in the pocket at the same time. And then two, while I really like the black look of this wallet, it's really easy to get fingerprints and other things on the outside on the metal surface. So a little bit more of a textured surface that was not so much prone to fingerprints and little smudges would have been nice. And then the third thing, if you have thicker cards like metal credit cards, keep in mind you're not keeping 6 cards in here. Right now I can only get in 5 and I can only get in 1 on the outside where it claims 2. But that's really because the cards are thicker than regular cards, so the rated card capacity is for cards that are more of a standard plastic size than using metal. And then lastly, a little small thing. I noticed when I first got the wallet out, the leather sleeve on the outside looked kind of rough, but actually it's starting to look better and softer over time as I use it. So when you first pull the wallet out, it might look like you have a little bit of hard edges on the leather, but give it just about a week or two and it will really soften up and look a lot better on the wallet itself. So overall, guys, I really like the wallet. It makes it really easy to access your cards. You just basically do that and you're done. Where some of the other slim wallets, especially the metal ones, require some kind of like thumb clip or something else to get them out. So I really like the action on this. It makes it really easy to use. It's also kind of addictive to just sit here and play with it if you're just sitting there bored for a little bit. The little things I didn't like about it are really kind of minuscule. If you're looking for a slim wallet with a metal construction, this is actually a really good option. And if you want it to be really slim, you can opt for not using the money clip or the leather sleeve, and you'll just have the metal case. So guys, I want to hear what you think. Is this something that you currently have or would look at using? I want to hear your thoughts and comments down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing to Rob Sutton for more reviews like this in the future. And until then, on to the next one. Thanks guys, see ya.